Okay, question 4. What is significant about the products of photosynthesis? All right, I know we've been talking about photosynthesis and cellular respiration a lot, so I have your cheat sheet image down here. And this graphic is supposed to represent both those reactions, okay? So I put water here, carbon dioxide down here, and then I put oxygen and glucose up here. Alright, and then this is supposed to represent sun. This is supposed to represent our ATP. So remember, for photosynthesis, what plants need is they need to take in water and carbon dioxide, okay? These are called reactants. They're going into a process. And they are creating or producing oxygen and glucose. So I'm going to put a little P here. And this is all happening in our chloroplast, this green thing. Our organelle found in our plants. Okay? And they're also, remember, they also have to take in sunlight. So they're taking in water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight and creating oxygen and glucose. Alright? Well, that same oxygen and glucose are going to go into this organelle called the mitochondria. So that oxygen and glucose has now become a reactant. It's going into a process. And then through that process we are producing or creating water, carbon dioxide, and ATP. So now we have our products. Alright, so P right here. So if you look here, photosynthesis is on the left, happening in the chloroplast. Cellular respiration is on the right, happening in the mitochondria. The products for photosynthesis, alright, are on top, so they've become the reactants for cellular respiration. Okay? So looking at our answer choice, you're never going to have products and products on the same side. So I'm going to get rid of that. Alright, and then the products of photosynthesis can't be what's going in for photosynthesis. We can get rid of that. Include carbon dioxide and water. We'll remember that these are reactants that are going in. So our best answer choice for 4 is B.